What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing a review on EveryHue Beauty's Glow Perfect Tinted Moisturizer, Foundation Brush, and Beauty Sponge. When EveryHue Beauty actually contacted me and told me they wanted to send me some of their products to review for my followers, I was very excited and very grateful. EveryHue Beauty is actually a beauty line created by 4 different women, one of them being Giselle Bryant from Bravo's Real Housewives of Potomac. When these 4 ladies were actually creating the line, they had multi-ethnic women in mind, although they do have numerous shades that pretty much cater to all different skin tones. I have used this product about 2 times already because I wanted to give you guys a true review on it and an honest review on it. But I did go ahead and repackage the items the same way that I originally received them because I wanted to give you guys a full idea how you guys would be receiving the products if you decided to order from this line. So we're just going to go over one product at a time, and of course I'm going to be doing a tutorial showing you guys how I use these products as well. So the first thing that I received is the Glow Perfect Tinted Moisturizer. And this is what the bottle looks like that it came in. I really like the packaging. The brown and gold, it just gives me like chocolate vibes, so I really like it. One thing that I think is very awesome about this tinted moisturizer is that when you go on their website, they made it very easy for you to find a shade that's going to work for you because they have a conversion chart where basically it lets you compare the different colors that they offer to other popular foundation brands that you might already have. So you know, you're like, if I use Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer in this shade, then I know the EveryHue Beauty shade, you know, whatever might match me. So they make it very easy for you to go ahead and find your shade. And even if the conversion chart is not helping you out, or maybe the foundation that you use is not listed on there, they actually have consultants there that can help you choose a shade that works for you. So they make it super easy for you to find your perfect hue, which is awesome, I think. Some of the key ingredients in this tinted moisturizer, which I found was very intriguing, was the fact that it has skin brightening vitamin C, it has vitamin E, it has hydrating aloe, and it has SPF 25. I think it's awesome when you buy a product for one thing and it has extra benefits in it. For example, I want to use this tinted moisturizer to cover my imperfections up. So the fact that it has other ingredients that are beneficial to my skin is honestly just a plus for me. So I really like this tinted moisturizer so much. I really didn't know what to expect when I first received it, but let me tell y'all, it is way better than I even expected it to be. So I'm really excited to try this out. Well, not try this out, but do a tutorial using this product for you guys. So the next thing that I received was the foundation brush. And this is what the foundation brush actually came in. It came in like this little brown package, which I love because if you're traveling, I could actually throw the foundation brush, the moisturizer, and even the beauty sponge right in this same little package. So I think that's really awesome for travel needs. So the foundation brush actually came in this little package inside the little travel case. And I really love the style of this foundation brush. It makes it very easy to apply the product. The first thing that I took notice of is how soft the bristles are. These bristles are extremely soft to the skin. They use synthetic fibers or synthetic bristles, which is awesome because you don't have to worry about it like absorbing your product or anything like that. When using this to apply the tinted moisturizer, it really helps just blend the tinted moisturizer in very flawlessly, and it really just helps the product just mesh and blend with my skin. I'm very impressed with this foundation brush. I mean, I like it so much that I want to use it for any foundation that I apply to my face because it just really helps blend the product in so flawlessly, so effortlessly, and so easy. On their website, they actually say that you can use this for more than just foundation. You can use it for like a cream blush, cream highlighter. So this is actually, you know, you can use this in multiple different ways, which I think is awesome as well. And the last thing that I received is the beauty sponge. And it just came in like a little plastic packaging like this, as you can see. And I just open it up, and it comes in like a little plastic wrap. And I really like the packaging of all the products as well. They made sure that the items were very protected when they got sent to me. The beauty sponge is super, super soft. One thing that I will say about some beauty sponges is that they can be very hard and very stiff, where this one is not. It's very super soft. And what I actually did the 2 times that I have used this product is that I go ahead and use the Tinted Moisturizer, blend it in with the foundation brush, and just use this blending sponge to help really press the product in and to make sure it's just all blended and smoothed effortlessly. So I really, really like this beauty sponge. We're gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial, and let me show you guys how I actually use these products. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clip my hair out of the way, because we don't need this in the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and run and wet my beauty sponge. What I'm also gonna do is start off with spritzing my face down with my Mario Badooska Rose Water Facial Spray. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz this all over my face, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Rimmel Skin Perfection primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and wet my beauty sponge, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I have applied my primer, I've wet the beauty sponge, and what I always start off by doing is color correcting under my eyes, because I do have bags. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I use Becca's what is this one? Becca's Under Eye Brightening Corrector. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that before I get into applying the Tinted Moisturizer. So as y'all can see, I've applied my under eye brightener. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Glow Perfect Tinted Moisturizer. And one thing that I really do love about this product as well is that a little goes a long way. All I'm gonna take is about a dime size amount on the back of my hand right here, as you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and just dot this all over my face. That way I can make sure I am applying a even application. And it's so funny because when I first started applying this product, I was so worried that it was going to be too dark for me. But as you can see, my neck is a little bit darker than my my face. And I will say this shade is maybe like a shade darker than I would probably get if I was like at the store buying it. But I don't mind it at all because it's going to make it a really easy transition for me using this in the summertime. I'm just going to take a little bit more of the product and apply that. I'm not going to be using much more. I'm just taking like a little bit more right here. You can see like it's like literally, it's like barely anything, but I'm just going to take a little bit more and apply that under my eyes as well, and just a little bit more on my neck. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I'm going to go ahead and grab my Mario Badooska Rose Water again. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do with this is just lightly spritz it on the foundation brush. That way I can make sure that my tinted moisturizer blends easily in with my skin tone. So, well, not with my skin tone, with my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start off by working this in. And I'm telling you guys, these bristles are just so super soft. It just feels so good against my skin. And this product does give you a satin finish. It's not like a matte finish or anything like that at all. It does give a satin finish. Hence to how it's supposed to give you a glow. So I really like the finish on the product as well. Even though it does give you a glow, it's not like, it doesn't make your skin too dewy, which I appreciate. It's like it gives you a glow, but not to the fact where like you look excessively oily or something like that. So my skin has been like super duper dry this winter. Like I don't know what's been going on. My skin has been acting up. So I actually really appreciate the fact that this product has hydrating aloe in it. and the fact that it does give a satin finish versus a matte finish with how my skin's been acting. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this into my neck. And again, the style of the brush with like how you hold it to blend it into your skin, it just makes it so much easier with the application as well. So I really, really like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish blending all into my neck, as you can see. So this is what it looks like with the tinted moisturizer applied all over my skin. Really, really, really like it. I really love this tinted moisturizer. I see myself reaching for this a lot in the months to come. So we have the tinted moisturizer all applied, and I'm getting just great coverage right now. Imperfections are covered, and it really gives a natural finish. That's one thing that I really appreciate about this product as well, is that the moisturizer, it's very buildable. You know, I'm getting a really nice light coverage, but if I want more, I can apply more of the product and build up my desired coverage. So that's one thing that I really like about this product as well, is that, you know, even if I didn't apply any other products, it just really looks like my skin is just nice and glowing and flawless. It really, really gives a skin-like appearance. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is grab my concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. Just apply this under my eyes and on my nose. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take the same foundation brush, just spritz it one more time with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. Again, I just love this brush so much, and you can use it for multiple things. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it just to blend in my foundation. Alright, so now that I have the concealer applied, I'm going to grab the beauty sponge, and I'm just going to go ahead and turn it to the back side, the little booty, and I'm going to go ahead and run this all over my face just to make sure the products are all meshed and blended in with my skin very well. And again, this beauty sponge is just so super soft. I just love the way it feels when I'm applying the products to my face. Well, when I'm blending the product into my face. So this is pretty much the full demonstration of the products. Again, I'm really loving these products. Thank you so much, EveryHue Beauty, for sending me these items. I'm so beyond impressed. I really like them. But at this point, I'm done with the talking, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fly through the rest of the products that I'm gonna be using, and of course I'll show them to y'all, and I'll be linking all the products that I'm using below, as well as linking EveryHue Beauty's website so you can check their products out as well. There is a blog post that I've created about these products, which I'm gonna go ahead and link below as well. Make sure y'all let me know if you used EveryHue Beauty, or if you do end up buying it. Make sure y'all let me know your thoughts and opinions on it, if you're loving it as much as I am. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!
Untitled Chapter.